What we're going to do right now is show you how to get into a self-hypnotic state anytime you want for any purpose. Now, the old methods of self-hypnosis can be very convoluted. People counting themselves through layers and layers of things, seeing beaches, washing out images. They're just so complicated. And a lot of the problem is people keep telling themselves, I'm going deeper, I'm relaxing more. Guess what happens? When you do that, you're bringing your conscious mind in. It's too much work. We want your conscious mind relaxed and out of the way. So your unconscious, the biggest part of your mind with all your resources, will be the one running the show. The first thing you must decide is the purpose of your self-hypnosis. It would be something like, I'm going into hypnosis for pick an amount of time. We say 20 is plenty, 20 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. Decide how long and for what purpose. I'm going into hypnosis for 15 minutes to get a greater relaxation or get rid of stress or whatever you decide to say is fine. But this should be determined in your mind. And then you're going to decide how you're going to feel when you come out of it. Either wide awake and ready for anything or tired and ready for bed. So let's just review that. How long are you going to be in hypnosis? You're going to decide. Now, this isn't what we're doing right now. This is your future plan for when you do self-hypnosis. How long? 10, 15, 20 minutes. What purpose? Make it clear what you want, not what you don't want, and how you're going to feel when you come out of it, either alert and refreshed or tired and ready for bed. When you've decided that, you're going to just go into hypnosis. Well, how do I know? Because this session, I'm going to install a trance for you. And then when you do that, when you do your own self-hypnosis, you'll go through that process I just said, and I'll review it at the end, and you'll automatically go into trance. So we'll give you the state now, and you'll get there when you need to. So put your feet flat on the floor if you're ready to go. Rest your hands palm down, separated from each other. Let your eyes close now. And with your eyes shut, take a deep breath. Through your nose, hold it for a brief moment. Exhale and relax. Start to drift into trance because your unconscious knows all about trance. It's been there many, many times. And as you go deeper, relax even more. Let your neck relax with your eyes shut. Let your head get heavy if you wish. Let your limbs sink down and flow deeper into trance, moment by moment. Want it to happen, will it to happen, and it will happen. We're setting up a trance that you can go back to anytime you want. So go to a deep level, a level where you can do self-hypnosis, because this trance will appear whenever you intentionally go to do self-hypnosis. Whatever the purpose, hypnosis is your answer for stress relief, stronger decision-making, better health, whatever you want in positive terms. And go even deeper now. This is the installation of the trance. This is the true installation that you can access whenever you want it. So sink down deeper. You don't have to believe in this for it to work. It's based on neuroscience, not what we think about it. So sleep now. You'll still be aware of things in the background because it's a different kind of sleep. It's a powerful sleep. It's a hypnotic sleep. And as you go deeper into that powerful, powerful state in the most relaxing ways imaginable, just sink down even further and feel fantastic. Relax every nerve, every fiber, and every nerve, and every cell. Take another deep breath. Exhale and enjoy the rest of your trance. And from now on, this trance is your trance. Whenever you want to do self-hypnosis for any purpose, you'll sit comfortably or lie down if you like, and you'll say, either in your mind or out loud, how long you're going into hypnosis for, what the purpose is, stated as a positive, not what you don't want, but what you do want, and how you'll feel when you awaken. Wide awake, refreshed, or ready for bed, nice and tired. That's your formula. And as soon as you do that, you'll just sit or lie with your eyes shut, and your unconscious mind will do the rest. It will flawlessly do the rest. The installation that enables you to rest now, this trance is available when you want it. Remember, it's a simple process. Decide how long, what the purpose is, and how you'll feel when you come out of it. And with your eyes shut, allow your unconscious to do the rest. And it will always look after you. If your attention is needed for any purpose whatsoever, because I'm not doing this, you are. That's right. Seal the deal. And on the count of 5, you can be wide awake with your new trance state waiting for you whenever you want to go to it. And it will work for you. 1, coming back to the surface. 2, alert and refreshed and feeling good. 3, awakening fully, ready for whatever you need. 4 and 5, wide awake now. And notice how good you feel.